What's good, YouTube? I am back, baby. Little POV. Little POV. Hopefully we're recording. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Yeah, I'm not gonna do too much talking. We're gonna get straight to it. Straight to it. Oh man, people already driving stupid, bro. I mean, like, man. But besides all that, I mean, everybody outside, man. I mean, I seen an Aston Martin this morning on the highway to work. I'm like, man, motherfuckers got Aston Martins. Sheesh. Hey, that's all you need is a little bit of good weather. When it get over 70, everybody start coming outside with all the cars. Man, then I forgot my GoPro at home, man. I think it was some tuned Daytona Scat Pack. I mean, dude, the exhaust on that thing was ridiculous, bro. He had the pops on the downshift. I think it was catless too, because man, that thing was screaming, bro. Good grief. I gotta start bringing my GoPro with me more often, man, because every time I don't bring it, something always go down. Long story short, man, hey, long story short, stuff happened. That's all I'm gonna say. Stuff happened. But man, I'm gonna make sure I get all the footage. I promise I'm gonna get it all. I promise. Yeah, man, I'm just on my way to my final destination. Looking at, I ain't on my final destination, but man, I'm just trying to get from over here, bro. Been over way too long. Been at the bank and stuff, man. Trying to get these finances together, you know what I'm saying? Sooner I get those finances together, sooner I get me my new whip. I'm not gonna sell this car. I was thinking about it, but the only way I'm gonna make some money off this car is if I private sell it. And you know, ain't even trying to deal with all that. Especially now people on Facebook Marketplace. No, not having it, bro. You know, all they gonna wanna do is test drive, then they gonna try to lowball you. Nope. I'm only selling it for the price. I'm gonna have it listed as, but we'll see what happens in the future. But, you know, being realistic with myself, this mug is not gonna last me forever. Shoot, it's not. And I'm okay with that. Little airplane up there. Thought it was a UFO. You gotta be careful with these charges, man. Hey, it be the police, bro. I'm not trying to mess with the police, man. I am gravy. Shoot, hey, let me know if y'all be slowing down too. I know I'm not the only person. Every time I see a V6 Charger with no spoiler on the back or a Durango, man, I am hitting the brakes, bro. Hitting the brakes, scoping the scene out. I gotta make sure. Oh yeah, and you know, I've been seeing a lot of cars, you know, it's a lot more people driving, you know, they little toys around now. So, you know, I got me thinking like, man, should I, when I do get this car tuned, should I get some burbles on her, you know what I'm saying? A little pop here and there, like popcorn? Yeah, go around this fool. Oh, the Charger coming up. If you want to play, I would definitely do that to you. You still recording, ain't we? Yes, sir. What we got here? Honda. Yeah. Hey man, I don't mind playing with the little V6s. The thing is, they be trying to cut up, but they don't know how to cut up properly. You know what I'm saying? They be trying to crash into your car and shit. But I'm not really worried about it. But shit, they want to join in on the fun, I will definitely show you something. Hey, I got no problem with that. I've done it before to 300s. It'd be so funny though, bruh. These people with 300s and V6 Chargers, bro, I don't know what it is, bro. They just act like they got a Hellcat or something, man. And the whole time they don't. They, you know, minivans going faster than they going. You know what I'm saying? But I see him creeping up. He trying to slowly creep his way up here. So let's see what he do. Maybe we might get a little action right here. Get to see me do a little a V6 dirty. Hey, but all I gotta say is I'm not a bully, man. But you know, they be wanting to test the waters out, and that's fine, bro. Everybody want to have a little fun and do shit. So I'm entertain it. Nope, he ain't doing nothing. He backing off. Excuse me. And also for my next whip, man, I'm definitely not getting no Challenger, bro. I was definitely thinking about getting a Challenger for my next car, man. But dude, those insurance rates, man, and the way how people be stealing these cars, you know, I can always give me a kill switch, but bro, heck no, man. I see myself getting me a Hellcat or something probably about 5 to 10 years, probably, bro. Because man, until these insurance rates go down, man, I'm not getting it, bro. I'm not, unfortunately, bro. So I'm gonna have to give me the next best thing, bro. And whatever that may be, I'm gonna get it, you know? Oh my goodness, bro. I hate when people do that shit, bro. Damn. You see people trying to get over. Damn, I hate when people do that shit. Bro, oh yeah, you know what, I'm not even gonna tell y'all what we're doing next to the car, bro. It's coming real soon though. Ain't even gonna tell y'all, bro. Y'all gonna just see the video and you gonna know, bro. We doing something. Shoot, and the thing is, the something that's been at my house, it's been at my house for about I'm like a couple of months or something now. Like, bro, I've been meaning to, you know, use it and, you know, get it installed and shit like that, but I just ain't do it. I ain't do it yet. I've been having other stuff to do. So oh man, and the pickup trucks too. I do not like pickup trucks, bro. They thinking they run the highway, bro. I don't think I deleted the other video. I deleted the other video, but it was in the video, bro. It was basically me just ranting about pickup trucks because this pickup truck got mad because I was, you know, basically, bro. You know how people be trying when we merge on the highway and they try to beat you or merge on the highway before you do, so they try to cut you off. Basically, he couldn't cut me off. He was mad, upset, threw the high beams on. You know how people be when they be raging and stuff. Road rage. But yeah, long story short, yeah, man was just big mad, bro. But you know, trucks are slow, bro. What can you do, bro? Trucks are slow. Sure, you want to trade it in to be able to hang with me, you can do that. But nah, other than that, bro, you're not gonna catch me. Dang, truck cap out at like 110 miles per hour. I almost said horsepower. 110 miles per hour or 120 miles per hour. Like, bro, all I need is one straight and that's it. I'm gone. I'm at the crib. You over there capped out at 120. Also, I want to go to the track one day too, man. I gotta figure out where it is. I don't think it's too far from where I live, but you know, I just gotta figure out what's all the rules and the process of going to the track. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna be taking this car to the track, but I might take my next car to the track though. But you know, it's just my daily driver, but it's not a track car. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, no matter what performance miles I do to it or whatnot, you know, it's still what it is, and that's just a luxury vehicle, man. A fast performance luxury vehicle. And that's another thing too though, bro. Like, bro, when it start getting hot outside, man, I mean, good grief, bro. It seemed like the traffic pick up too. Dang, man. Like people starting to go to work again now. It's hot outside. They're trying to get some money in their pocket now, bro. They said it's hot. It's about to be summertime. The ladies about to be out. They trying to get some money in their pocket. They trying to take some home. Let me get in front of this dude. He moving a little bit though. My exhaust is pretty loud, bro, but I gotta make it louder, bro. I do. Shoot, so the main thing I got coming up for this car for sure is definitely I'm gonna be touring it though. Most definitely. Don't got an exact date. Don't have an exact date yet, but we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see what we can do. But for right now, man, power-wise, the car is fast, bro. The car is fast enough, for sure. I don't know what this is, but this needs to get out the way. A little Mercedes or whatever it is need to get out the way, bro. I mean, I don't know why people be doing that shit, bro. They be trying to camp in a fast lane. You know, I admit I do it sometimes, you know, when I be just trying to avoid getting in the middle lane. Because, bro, middle lane be having way too much stuff going on. You know what I'm saying? People be going extra slow. And I do not want to be, man, you know, I don't want to be in the middle lane. Shoot. So I stay in the fast lane, you know what I'm saying? Or passing lane was really called, but fast lane, what